Hello there. We're looking at a very unsettled 24 hours or so as Storm Gerret moves in from the Atlantic. And looking at the bigger picture, we can see this system moving in, tightly packed isobars indicating very strong winds across the country, heavy rain, also the risk of some heavy snow across Scotland in particular, and staying gusty right through into Thursday as well. Taking a look at the details for Boxing Day evening, calm across the north and the east initially with some icy stretches developing across Scotland, but Storm Gerret moves in and we're seeing outbreaks of heavy rain spread north and eastwards as we push through the night. We could see some localised flooding developing across parts of Northern Ireland in particular by Wednesday morning, and as the cloud and the rain bumps into the colder air, perhaps across the far north of the Pennines into southern Scotland, central Scotland, by the end of the night we could see some snow over the hills. But for everyone, turning increasingly windy, gusts of 50, 60, 70 miles an hour developing around some exposed coasts over the next 24 hours. Temperature-wise, rising across England and Wales as the night goes on, reaching double figures by the end of the night. Cold across the far north, temperatures below freezing in the glens of Scotland, leading to those icy stretches first thing. Then through the day, Storm Gerret brings its rain across much of the country. Strong winds too, 40 to 50 miles an hour. The rain leading to some surface spray on the road, some localised flooding too. Met Office warnings in force for much of the day right across the country. The cold air in place across Scotland will see some heavy snow, 10 to 20 centimetres over the higher ground. This combined with some very strong winds gusting 60, 70 miles an hour will lead to some blizzards. There is some brighter skies following eventually into Northern Ireland in the afternoon, but blustery showers soon following. And with the winds coming in from the south, it will be a mild afternoon, temperatures reaching around 12 or 13 Celsius, but given the cloud, the rain, the unsettled weather, it will feel cooler than this, colder across parts of Scotland and Northern Ireland. As we move through the evening time, it remains very unsettled. The rain clears, becomes persistent across parts of northern Scotland, then blustery showers feed their way through during the early hours. Some of these will be very heavy, accompanied by gusty winds 60, 70 miles an hour, particularly around western coast, but even inland 50, 60 miles an hour possible in those heavier showers. As a result of it staying blustery overnight, temperatures generally holding up, particularly across southern areas, staying icy across Scotland with further rain, strong winds 60, 70 miles an hour across the Northern Isles, and some snow possible too. So into Thursday, a very unsettled start, blustery showers across the whole of the country. Could be some disruption whilst travelling, so do take extra care. And then through the day, a mixture of sunny spells, blustery showers, perhaps something more organised across central, southern parts of England, which could lead to some disruption too. Gusty winds, but not quite as strong compared to Wednesday, but staying generally unsettled, and there'll be a few glimmers of sunshine in between. Feeling colder across the north and the west, temperatures here around 8 or 9, and then locally towards the south 11 or 12 Celsius. So it remains very unsettled as we move through the next few days. If you'd like more information, you can follow us on our YouTube channel and on our social media channels. See you again soon.